Hello YouTube. I just noticed today I have tons of these things. Remember these folks? 18-volt batteries. Now they came out with these suckers in all different sizes. Well, I got a bazillion of these things. They work pretty good. I'm trying to figure out if anybody has the clue how to figure out if these are okay. They charge. Some of them hold a charge, some of them don't. I know I have a few dead ones. I know they sell new battery inserts. I also know if you go to on Amazon, you can buy a lithium. I think like $40 for. You can change the inside to lithium. But I honestly like the NiCad ones because you can work in the cold and they don't die out faster. These ones, I might have to make a heated box in here temporarily. I have a lot of 20-volt tools, but I have like some really old tools that, like this one right here, perfectly good tool, just battery sucks. This one, perfectly good 18-volt tool, just obsolete. I have what else? I have a couple. I have about 10 of these. I have about 10 of these batteries. This one I think is okay. I should write okay on it. But I have about 10 of these batteries, and some hold a charge for like 5 minutes. Some hold a charge for 2 minutes. What sucks though is you put them on the charger. It says it's charged. 5 minutes later, and you go to using it, it lasts for like 4 seconds. So I don't know. I'm gonna probably replace some of the innards in these because if the tool still works, why throw the tools out and just get new batteries when I could just change the tool? I mean, for the money I paid for this and the power this thing has in it, this old, what is it, a heavy-duty cordless impact driver, these things work pretty damn good. They're other than I don't like the old style chuck, I like the one you just pop it in. This one, the only thing I don't like about this one is if you push the thing in there, it doesn't stay. You have to pull it out and lock it. And it doesn't have the little eject button like the newer ones. But other than that, this thing is great. As for the drill like this, I've killed 2 of these. I've actually killed 2 18-volt drills, which one was smoking, the other one I think caught on fire during use. But yeah, anyway, hope if anybody out there who has these old batteries, look on Amazon. They're not the greatest batteries, but nickel, I think it's nickel cadmium, or I think they're NiCad. These NiCad? Christ, I don't know. Anyway, just a little rant about batteries.